Let us read the fourth question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. Let's have the solution for this problem. Let the given points be A -3, 10, B 6, -8 and C -1, 6. We need to find the ratio in which C divides the line segment AB. We know that the coordinates of the point R, which divides the line segment joining P x1, y1 and Q x2, y2 in the ratio k:1 internally is given by R x, y equals to kx2 plus x1 whole divided by k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 whole divided by k plus 1. Here we represent the point A as x1, y1 and the point B as x2, y2. The coordinates of the point C, which divides AB in the ratio k:1 internally, is given by C -1, 6 equals to kx2 plus x1, that is k times 6 plus -3 whole divided by k plus 1, ky2 plus y1, which is k times -8 plus 10 whole divided by k plus 1. -1, 6 equals to 6k plus -3 whole divided by k plus 1, -8k plus 10 whole divided by k plus 1. Now let us equate the x coordinates. We have -1 equals to 6k minus 3 whole divided by k plus 1. Multiplying k plus 1 on both sides, we get -1 times k plus 1 equals to 6k minus 3. Expanding, we get -k minus 1 equals to 6k minus 3. This employs 6k plus k equals to -1 plus 3, which employs 6k plus k is 7k equals to -1 plus 3 is 2, which is nothing but here the k value is 2 divided by 7. Now by equating the y coordinates, we get 6 equals to -8k plus 10 whole divided by k plus 1. This employs multiplying by k plus 1 on both sides, we get 6 times k plus 1 equals to -8k plus 10. This employs expanding, we get 6k plus 6 equals to -8k plus 10. This employs 6k plus 8k equals to 10 minus 6, which employs 6k plus 8k is 14k equals to 10 minus 6 is 4. This employs k equals to 4 divided by 14. 2 is here 2 is common factor for both numerator and denominator. So 2 goes in 4 2 times and 2 goes in 14 2 times 7 times. Hence the value of k is 2 by 7. The ratio in which the line segment joining the points A and B is divided by -1, 6 is 2:7 internally.